Hello everyone, Namaskar, this is Chef Sudipta and I welcome you to my channel Cuisinelovers. Today I will be preparing a very delicious and very well demanded preparation, and especially during the Christmas time is chicken Vindaloo. Chicken Vindaloo, basically it is a Goan preparation which brought by Portuguese and widely and accepted by all the Indians, mainly Christian community and Anglo-Indians. तो आज का जो वीडियो होगा वो है आपका चिकन प्रिपरेशन, गोआन चिकन प्रिपरेशन, जिसका नाम है चिकन विंदालू. Now in Goan preparation there are a lot of various delicate dishes like Vindaloo, zakuti, Goan fish curry, Goan chicken curry. If you understand the paste, the masala, how to make it, आप देखोगे it is very easy to prepare. So for this chicken Vindaloo preparation, first I will make a paste. For this paste, the major ingredient which is required is whole red chilli. What I have done, the whole red chilli, I have soaked it in water for at least 4 hours and you will get this kind of fresh texture. At the same time, for this chicken Vindaloo preparation, there is a lot of myth that Vindaloo मतलब क्या होता है कि the item में आलू जाएगा और ये थोड़ा स्पाइसी होगा, but it is not basically like that. ये क्या होता है? This dish it has came from Portuguese, and जब Portuguese India में आए, they have made a dish called Vindaloo. Vin means wine, aloe means garlic. So basically it is a wine and garlic flavored based preparation, and they have made it with pork. So basically it is a widely and become very famous as pork Vindaloo, but even the Indian, they have made it as chicken Vindaloo, and because of India loves spicy food, so they have added few spice in it and make the dish little spicy. So let us start. For making this, I have taken some red chilies. I will give some ginger in it and few cloves of garlic. Now garlic flavor should be dominated in this preparation. I will give some coriander seed, some cumin seed and vinegar. Now I am using malt vinegar. You can use even red wine vinegar. Even if you want, you can use the normal white vinegar which is always available at home. तो अगर आप चाहते हो तो कोई भी vinegar use कर सकते हो, because vinegar gives a nice taste and flavor in this dish. But if you use malt vinegar, it gives a better taste and flavor at the same time in this preparation. So malt vinegar, and I will give some water which I have used for soaking the red chilies. So that's all, and if you want you can add some salt in it so that it gives nice mix in it. So this all are the ingredients mainly required for this paste. So masalas, I have kept it in the mixing jar. I will now blend it, will make a paste of it, and then we will start preparing the preparation. तो चलिए हम लोग पहले इसको पेस्ट बना लेते हैं. After the paste, I just wanted to show you पेस्ट कैसा बना है. ये जो पेस्ट बना है इसका 50% I will be using it for marinating the chicken and 50% I will be using it for making the gravy. So take only this much for marinating the chicken. So nicely you marinate the chicken, and if it is required you can leave it at least for 1 hour in the refrigerator so that the taste, flavor, everything goes inside the chicken. So let me keep it aside. Take out the paste from the mixing jar. The main taste of chicken vindaloo, it is present in this paste itself. थोड़ा सा तेल लेते हैं. So the oil is hot now. For making this gravy, I'll first temper the oil with cumin seed. Then I will add chopped onion. So ऑनियन डाल लिए मैंने. अभी जो ऑनियन है इसको ब्राउन कलर तक फ्राई करना है. सो ऑलमोस्ट द ऑनियन हैज टर्न ब्राउन इन कलर. अभी हम ये जो विंदालू पेस्ट है ये पूरा डाल देंगे. Give a good stir and cook this masala in medium flame. So the masala is almost ready. I will add the marinated chicken in it. In this way cook it for 1 or 2 minutes, and then I will add some water and we will cover the pan and cook till the chicken is nicely soft and properly cooked. So the chicken is done along with the masala. I will add some water now. So add enough amount of water. So let the chicken cooked by covering the pan. I'll just cover the pan. After this, just I want to share you very important information that while you are making this chicken vindaloo masala, it has a large quantity of red chillies along with vinegar. So while you are cooking the masala, you should be little away from the steam which it is coming out. Otherwise, you will feel very difficult to stay and cook during this cooking process. So remember these steps. So the chicken vindaloo is now ready to serve. I just take out the lid. And we will do the final presentation. So I'll give a little bitten card. Some strips of ginger and at the end sprigs of coriander leaves. So the Christmas special chicken vindaloo is ready for you. Enjoy the dish and don't forget to subscribe, like and share your comment. Thank you very much. Happy cooking.